Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a side hustle with Etsy detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche. Research what products are trending on Etsy. Take note of what items are popular among buyers. Consider your own skills and interests when determining what to sell. Create a list of potential products based on your research and interests. Next, validate your product ideas. Utilize Etsy search to see if similar products exist. Check the competition and analyze their offerings. Look at customer reviews to understand what buyers like or dislike. Choose a product that stands out in the market. Once you have a product idea, develop your brand. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your style. Create a cohesive visual identity, including a logo and color scheme. Next, set up your Etsy shop. Go to Etsy.com and navigate to the Sell on Etsy section. Follow the prompts to create your account. Fill out shop information, including your policies and description. Make sure your shop policies include shipping, returns, and payment methods. Now it's time to create your listings. Write clear and captivating product titles. Use high-quality images that showcase your products from multiple angles. Craft detailed descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Determine your pricing strategy by considering material costs, time invested, and competition. Next, focus on marketing your shop. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products. Join Etsy-related groups and communities to engage with potential customers. Consider using Etsy ads to increase visibility for your listings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.